Hey guys, so I'm out here and it's pretty nice outside. What the hell is that? What does that guy got? What a weirdo. How are you so good?
I met Santa Claus. Mr. Helpful here. I'm going to show everybody on YouTube how to make a model aircraft. Now this is simple.
Oh.
First you're going to want to get a bit lightheaded, just so that the plane doesn't have to work so hard. Alright? Most important part of making a model airplane is making it strong so you can use it over and over. Now see this? This is about as strong as your wings get. This weighs about 30 pounds. Don't worry, I've got muscles. Alright,
Okay, go.
the next part, it's kind of challenging. You're going to have to find one of your buddies that has a broken door handle on their car. This one's awesome. See, you just reach down and you see that right there? Right now it's locked. So you can't get in there. So you need to reach down, grab that. Oh, and it opens right up.
Okay.
Stabilizers are important. Luckily, we've got this. This will stabilize everything in the air. You don't have to worry about anything. I'm serious when I'm talking about this. You just, if you want to come over here for a minute, you just kind of shove it anywhere. In this hole, it fits nicely. There we go. Now our airplane's almost complete. All we need is some oil now. Okay, so now that we've got everything finished, we're gonna have to test out our plane. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, I don't know how well this will fly. That's why we test. The idea for this video came from YouTube user Airline Guy 29 up in the corner.